Imagine a buzzing sound that isn't a mosquito. It's a micro drone built not to bite, but to watch. China's cutting-edge battlefield surveillance drone, as small as an insect, is blurring the lines between tech innovation and dystopia. But how does this tiny machine work? Why is it being built now? And what does it mean for the future of privacy, or even war? Developed by China's National University of Defense Technology, size, roughly that of a mosquito, light enough to remain airborne unnoticed. Powered by micro-rotors, potentially solar-charged or kinetic energy. Cameras or sensors may allow real-time audio-visual surveillance. AI possibly used for autonomous flight path control. The primary aim, battlefield surveillance in enemy zones. Could fly over borders, enemy bunkers, or urban targets. Effective in covert missions where satellites or conventional drones are too obvious. Can be deployed in swarms, gathering data and relaying back to command centers. One isn't dangerous, but hundreds, that's an invisible army. Raises serious privacy concerns even in civilian areas. Could be used to spy on foreign diplomats, activists, journalists. International debate. Should such micro-surveillance be regulated? Could violate Geneva Convention if weaponized. Who decides what's surveillance and what's sabotage? The US, India, and NATO allies are aware and reacting. Similar technologies are being developed in secret. The EU is calling for guidelines on AI-powered autonomous weapons. Japan and Israel are developing defensive countermeasures like drone jammers. Could be misused by authoritarian regimes. Privacy invasion in public protests, religious gatherings, homes. Social trust could erode if people fear being watched 24/7. Opens door to Minority Report-style surveillance state. This mosquito-sized drone might be one of the most powerful surveillance tools ever created. Let us know in the comments. Is this the future of defense or the start of something darker?
Welcome to TechInsight Daily. Your support means the world to us. Help us grow by sharing and subscribing. No need for Patreon or buying us a coffee. A heartfelt shout out to our incredible subscribers. You're the backbone of our community.
Stay connected, tech enthusiasts, in this ever-evolving world of technology.